Sir, recording.
Yeah, I'll start it. Okay, let's come for that. Okay, now let's continue. I think the data, I'll write down the values. What all values need require that one. What is the data? W is how much? 10 meter. VR, velocity of the river. VSR for the second case will be 10 meter per second. VSR will be, okay, calculate the time taken. W by VSR cos theta. W is 10, VSR is 10, cos 30 root 3 by 2. So this will be 2 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is 0.6. 0.6 into 2 will be 1.2 seconds. Then what about the drift? Drift is given by VR minus VSR sine theta into T. VR value 10, VSR 10. This will be 1 by 2, 1.2. 5 into 1.2. 6 meter. So what is the drift now? So still it's positive only, you can see. This is VR, but it's less compared to previous case. So this will be VS. So you will reach somewhere at this particular position. Okay, I got X positive. What does it mean? Drift is positive here. Okay, no. So this is about the second case. You see, the drift got reduced, no? As I increase VSR. Let's take the third situation. In the third situation, just see once. I'll go for third situation. Third situation, VSR will be 20 meter per second. Okay, now in this case, we will start at t equals 0. This is a starting point. This will be VSR. This is a river current. Width of the river. Okay, now what is the value of VSR? In this case, it is 20 meter per second. The same thing. This is VR how much? Width of the river given 10 meter. Theta is 30 degrees. Value of VSR is here 20 meter per second. Okay, now check it now in this case. First, what is the method? First, you have to calculate the time. No? W by VSR cos theta 10 by 20 root 3 by 2. 1 by root 3 0.6 seconds. This is the thing. Then drift is equal to VR minus VSR sine theta into T. Value of VR is 10, VSR 20, sine 30, 1 by 2. Time 0.6. So I got the drift 0. What do you mean by that? The river current will push him in such a way that exactly will reach here. This is the end point. Okay, now how are you getting now? So here the drift is 0. You ask the swimmer where he is heading. He says that I'm heading somewhere here. But where do you reach? Exactly on the opposite point. Shall we call this the shortest path? I just picked up this. Is a very basic problem, so that in any other numerical you can manage comfortably with this idea. Last case, we'll go for it. VSR 30 meter per second. Okay, look at all the things. I'll scroll down. We'll go for last case, VSR. Okay, go for last case. We will wind up the last case, this one. So is, let me take diagram like this. This is a start point. This is theta. This is the velocity of the same data. So from the formula, we'll get that information. Then we'll go for the path, indicating the path all. Okay, substitute everything now. So we'll start at point A, t equal to 0. Okay, as usual, t equal to W by VSR cos theta, 10 by 30 root 3 by 2. 2 by 3 root 3. Root 3 is 0.6, 1.2, so 0.4 seconds. Then what about the drift? Drift is given by x is equal to, this is theta, 30 degrees. So into time. Value of VR is 10 minus, this will be 30, 1 by 2, 0.4. So 5 into 5, 5 for 20, minus 2 meter. What do you mean by minus 2 meter? The drift will be negative. So this will be the VS. You ask the swimmer, where is heading? D. And finally, you will reach C. This is the end point. Now, why? What do you mean by negative? Left side, no? And what is the time taken? Time taken will be 0.4 seconds. Getting the idea now? So tell me, like, which is the best rowing the boat up the stream or down the stream is the best option? Suppose you are a boatman. Which one you should prefer? You should prefer always the down up the stream. By varying VSR value. How to vary VSR value? The speed of the engine. I can control the speed of engine. Like how we have on bike accelerator, no? There also I can control the speed of the boat with respect to river. By adjusting that value, what when I can choose the drift where I want, where the landing point on the opposite bank. See, landing points on the river bank is a very difficult. You can't land wherever the boat you want, only some specific points. So based on that, what happen? The passengers where they want the landing. So based on that, you can adjust its VSR. Now, this is what actually practically the things will happen like this. So rowing the boat up the stream is what you have. You will get advantage. You can control the drift by varying the VSR. There's a problem I took by adjusting the values of VSR. You can control also the theta. You can control also the theta. Here I took a theta to be fixed. VR fixed here. VSR is what varying. By varying VSR, yes, we can control the drift here. Okay, this is one very basic problem. What I given is a very basic problem, very good problem for students to really understand. Nothing, no need to read again a theory. Just all these ideas, no, the four cases will help you. Any conceptual question if they ask you, the drift what happened can be controlled by varying VSR. Yes, it is correct, no? The boatman can control the drift by varying its velocity of the boat with respect to river or velocity of boat with respect to still water. The answer is yes. Fine, okay. This one. So now we'll take the few more problems. I'll adjust the question on the screen. You can read that. All of you able to read the look at the question now. A river flowing with a speed of 1 km per hour, a swimmer wants to go to point C starting from A. He swims with a speed of 5 km per hour at an angle theta with its river flow. If AB equal to BC equal to 400 meter, at what angle with the river bank should swimmers swim? The value of theta is asking. So always the angle is measured with respect to river bank, not with respect to AB. To make the problem simple, we took AB in previous problem, but always the river bank is what will be preferred. Now, what is the condition given? The path is specified. The path is specific here. It's telling that the path is the specific. So your question begins like this. Huh? This is the point A, the start point. You will start from here. There's a point exactly opposite on the other bank. Then it's telling that this is an end point. How the river current is flowing. There's a river current and there's a width of the river. So how we should swim so that these are the values are there. So how VSR bar should be directed so that VS bar should be in this direction. So what is known for us? The direction of VS here. This is given for us. So this value is made, this direction is made available. Then the river current. So shall I assume now what is the direction? Somewhere I'll assume this, the direction of VS. The river current will push him. Is that okay? No. What is our question? Our question is to find out this value of I think the theta I'll indicate arrow. I'm indicating arrow. This is alpha. You take it. Is it okay now? What is theta? Velocity of angle made by velocity vector of swimmer with respect to ground. Sorry, VSR. No, it is velocity of swimmer with respect to river with respect to bank. This is called as a bank. This is opposite bank. What are the things given? Okay, proceed. So what we have to do? So we know this value, width of the river, how much? It is 400 meter. We know also the drift also 400 meter. So first we'll calculate the time taken to cross the river. We'll start from there. So what is the expression for time taken? W by VSR sine theta. I am changing from problem to problem. So previous problem cos theta, sometimes sine theta. I think uh, velocity of swimmer with respect to river along y-axis will determine time taken to cross the river. I think this is what I said. So substitute now. What is the width of river? 400. Velocity of he swims with a speed of 5 km per hour at an angle theta with respect to river flow. So this is what happens. What is the value of VSR? 5 km per hour. I think convert this 25 by 18. We don't know this value. 25, 400 by 25. Anybody? Let's keep it.
16, sir.
16.
16. 18 into 16 will get it, no? 18 into. Okay, I'll do one thing. In the end, I'll substitute here. Let it be this one. What is the expression for drift? What is the expression for drift? Drift should be equal to, in this case, what you should write? VSR cos theta plus VR, no? You can ask questions, sir. How you are writing this directly? Tell me, like, from where I brought it. You go back to the initial yesterday what we discussed. Will determine the drift. The velocity of swimmer with respect to ground along x-axis. So the condition how this I derived it came like this. Velocity of swimmer along x-axis. This one. Velocity of swimmer with respect to river along x-axis. How much it is? VSR cos theta. VRX is what? Plus VR. You see all this. So finally, what is VSX is equal to? Okay, no? Is it? I'll write it here so that you will not under confusion. So this is VR plus VSR cos theta into T. This is a background. Similarly, same thing. Sir, how you wrote W by VSR sin theta? The same thing. Time taken to cross the river depends upon VSY. If you know, sir, okay, we know this. Keeping that already we have discussed that concept and you were able to recollect, I wrote it. So since the second, the drift also the same method, you see. Okay, let's substitute the value. X equal to VSR plus VSR cos theta. T is what? W by VSR sin theta. So what actually we should do? For what purpose we doing this problem? This theta, no? Do we know X and W? Yes, X is how much? 400, W is 400. VR value we know, VSR value we know. We substitute all, will end up with only expression for theta. So we'll take we'll substitute, river is 1 km per hour, no? Will become 5 by 18.
We don't need to convert it into kilometer per hour, sir. We can do it. I mean, we don't need to convert it.
Anything, because here, because X and W will get
Yes, sir.
meters,
Yes,
will cancel
that's
out.
right.
VR will be no need of conversion, but so sometimes the problems where you have to convert. That's why just I'm following the universal method here. So let's substitute all these values. I think all the data we have. Okay, carry on with this. And I'll just slide up. Get into the, we'll go for calculation. Let me substitute all the values here. What is x? 400. Value of x is 400 equal to VR 5 by 18, VSR 25 by 18, cos theta 400, VSR value 5 by 18, sin theta. I think that 18 will cancel out, 400 will cancel out, so we'll end up with 5 sin theta, 5 plus 25 cos theta.
Sir,
Okay.
VSR 25 by 18 sin theta.
Correct, no? This will be, yes.
Sir, it is 400 by 25.
VSR is 25 by 18. Yeah. Okay, I'll do correction. 400 will cancel out. Here 18 will cancel out. So this will be 25 sin theta. 5 plus 25 cos theta. I think this is now totally trigonometry problem. 5 sin theta, this is a theoretical one. So 5 sin theta is equal to 1 plus 5 cos theta. 5 sin theta minus 5 cos theta equal to 1. So what to do now? I think you can simplify, assume, divide and multiply by 1 by root 2. This will be sine 5 by root 2. 5 also I'll send on that side. Now divide and multiply by 1 by root 2. Cos theta. Okay, fine. Can we simplify LHS? Yes, it can be done. No? Sin A cos B, sin A cos B, cos A sin B. So this will be sin of A minus B formula. So sin of 1 by 5 root 2. So therefore this will be theta minus 45 degrees equal to sine inverse of 1 by 5 root 2. Or theta will be 45 plus sine inverse of 5 by 2. 5 by root 2. This will be our final answer. What with respect to river bank it is. So what is the thing? Now the specific path is given for us. The boat with respect to ground should move like this only. So what angle it should row in, like the theta is what? Velocity of boat with respect to river, velocity of swimmer with respect to river. What orientation it should have? Okay, the orientation depends on the particular condition where the endpoint is. I'll get you back to the basic problem. So what is the fixed here? The endpoint is a fixed here. So for that what happen? The specific angle theta I should choose. I think my what all I wrote, you look at the answer, 45 plus it is. Already you know what is alpha from the diagram. I think anybody will answer. What is alpha? Alpha is 45, no? So definitely what do you expect theta? Should be more than alpha. I think that's what the answer. And I'm showing complete discussion. Look at alpha clearly. definitely the theta should be more than alpha, no? That's what I got final answer. Cross verification. Huh? If theta were more than 90, okay, it all depends upon the condition. It all depends upon the condition. I got and I ended up with answer 45. Somebody please mute it, mute it. Is it okay, no? The overall, what all we discussed, no? See, this initial, these things are very important. Students, what happen? Will stick on to the formulas, directly something substitute. But every problem you're supposed to work out here. Relative velocity idea. Okay, those who are taking screenshot. Completed? Shall we go for next condition?
Yes, sir.
See, these are not like a numerical. These are the very basic fundamental ideas a student must have. I just picked up problems where a basic clarity should be there first for student. Okay, take next question. Already I think I solved and kept it. Okay, read the question. I'll strike it out so that it will not distract you. Read the question now. A student in boat wants to cross the river. Along the path from the point K to L as shown, the flow speed of the river is 2 km per hour. The speed of boat in still water, I think is really brought that particular confusing word. Still water is telling. I'm underlining that. Is VBR 5 km per hour. Width of the river is this much. The drift also given for us. How long would the trip take? If you cross the river along the path, find the time taken. Along the path, that one is asking time taken. That one is something he has given there. Okay, first we'll go for this one. So this particular angle has to be determined, no? So the same condition what earlier we had. Strictly, what is the thing? What should be there's a start point. There's a point B. Where should it? He must reach here. He must reach at this particular point. So this is the, I think symbols I'll change it. So here K, this is M. He must reach at L. Tell me how he should head himself. His velocity of swimmer with respect to river should be like this. I'll take theta. See anything, it's left to you. Any of the reference you can take it. So here as question given phi. Then the river current will push this is the VBR, no? These symbols will change. Velocity of boat. Okay, look at now, see all this. There's the width of the river. So what is our question? We have to calculate this angle. How long would the trip will take? It's telling how long the trip will take. So where they start, where is the end point according to the question given? This is the end point. You ask the boatman where you are heading. He will say that I'm heading somewhere here. But the river current will push him. So because of that, he will reach it. Okay, proceed in the same way. Who will determine time taken to cross the river? W by VBR sine phi. W is how much? 0.5 kilometer. Convert that. I think all are in kilometer. No need to change anything. So just 0.5. You write. What is VBR? Velocity of boat. Still water is telling what to do. Same. It's velocity of boat with respect to flowing river only it is. So this is phi sine phi. So T is equal to 1 by 10 sine phi. Keep this equation in hand. Come for the drift. And what is the expression for drift? You write it in this case. I think yesterday we ended up last thing, no? Last discussion, that was I made also some correction. One of you suggested correction. I made even the correction also. So if you are getting again the little bit difficulty, go back to the basics. So what the basics will tell? VBR x equal to VBX minus VRX. What is VBRX here? Minus VBR cos phi. This I don't know. This is plus VR. VBX equal to VR minus VBR cos phi. Why negative sign? Anything directed towards left, I'll take it negative here. If you take it towards left positive, then VR you should substitute negative sign. It's left to you. Since it's a convention, no? Negative x-axis will take negative, that one. Along towards left will take negative, towards right positive. The same convention I am continuing here. So if you want, you can show that convention like this. Fine. Now we'll determine the drift. We'll determine the drift. The drift depends on VBX, no? So write it now. Write the formula now. X is equal to. I'll scroll down. VBX into T. So this is VR minus VBR cos phi. What is the value of T? 1 by 10 sine phi. Again, do we know value of X? It is given, no? 0.5 kilometer. 0.5. Or if you keep it as it is, no? Later you can. So anyway, like I'll substitute the values here. No? So 0.5. VBX, VR value?
1, sir.
1, no? VR value is 1. VBR, anybody? 0.5. This also. Cos phi 1 by 10 sin pi.
Sir, 5, sir, VBR.
VBR 5, sir.
VBR is 5. Huh? Yeah. Okay, 10 into 0.5, this will become phi sin phi is equal to 1 minus phi cos phi. So sin phi plus cos phi equal to 1 by 5. Adjust 1 by root 2. Sin A cos B cos A sin B 1 by 5 root 2. So this will become sin A sin B formula. Sin of phi plus phi by root 2.
Sir, sir,
Yeah.
velocity of river is 2 km/h, right, sir?
Somebody
Yes,
said
sir.
1, no? Somebody said 1. Okay, I'll change it, man. What is there in that one? Somebody said 1, I wrote 1. I'll change it. 2, no, it is. Yeah, here I'll take.
Sir, we have to take the drift to be negative, no, sir.
Which one?
Drift minus 0.5, no, sir.
No, the values will substitute, no. The value of VR and VBR will decide that.
Sir, but according to the figure what they have given, the drift is negative, right? It's to the left
So
side.
no
of
more like the values of VR, VBR will see. You are. I think again I'll stick on to the basics. If you row the boat up the stream, drift is positive, negative will determine.
the velocities.
Can you show that one?
But sir, it's already mentioned that it's negative, right? I mean, if it's mentioned, we should consider it, right?
Okay, here the value of x, no? Oh, okay, no. We'll substitute all the things with sign. VR will be there. VBR. Already I substituted sign here, no? This should be negative. Negative will come. This is 2, no? Then we'll end up with minus sin pi minus sin phi minus of 1 by 5. Okay. The drift is towards left, no? We know the value. It is. So sin phi 1 by root 2. Okay, this is. Okay, check the value, no? Sin inverse of. This will be minus of 45 degrees minus of.
Sir, it is sin phi minus cos phi equal to minus 1.
Phi cos phi minus of sin phi, no? I'll
Sir,
change
and
this.
VR is equal to 2, right?
Okay, I'll make changes. I'll make changes. This part I'll erase. I'll write fresher again. Adjustment. The drift is negative, no? So I'll make adjustment here. So this will be 2. So this will be minus of phi sin phi 2 minus phi cos phi. So this will become phi cos phi equal to 2. So cos phi minus sin phi equal to 2 by 5. So adjust 1 by root 2. So I think this will be cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So this will become cos of 5 plus 45 degrees 2 by 5.
Sir, root 2 by
But
5.
root 2 by 5 will come here. Root 2, this will be root 2 by 5.
Sir, if we take it in sine terms, so it would be much easier, right?
So what will be it? So this will be 5 is equal to cos inverse of root 2 by 5 minus 45 degrees. So this should be the angle, this one. With respect to river bank, what should be 180 minus 5? Because always with respect to river current, we should say. River current means the river is, this is the VBR. This is VR, no? What we measured is this value. So this value is what always we should mention. Huh? With respect to river current. With respect to river current means it should be alpha, not phi. I think in books, what happened, they have made that a convention. So here I just asked you what is the angle in which it should swim with respect to river current means it's alpha, not phi. So what is alpha now? Angle made by the velocity of boat with respect to river current. Always everything I should express in terms of alpha here. So this will be, alpha will be pi minus phi, that is. This angle is what? Our answer. And there is a convention. Okay, no, I think this sign, you have to be careful. So up the stream, down the stream. So there's one basic method. See, on one side, you already know theory, no? So like knowing theory and coming for numerical, little bit totally different method in physics. Okay, just see once all this calculation. We'll go for next case. It need not be 500. I can get, I can take 400, 300 meter. So what is a situation here? The path is fixed here. In earlier problem, what happened? The path we don't know. Here sometimes I'll make a path fixed here.